MLflow Tracking provides a way to log metrics, parameters, and artifacts to a centralized location during the model engineering and model evaluation phases of the ML lifecycle. Throughout the ML lifecycle, we have likely built and experimented with many different models. We must now decide which model to use in our ML application by comparing metrics and other data. The MLflow Tracking UI offers a view into runs that belong to the same experiment, but does not offer the ability to compare or calculate easily. Wouldn't it be great if we could query this run information for our own investigation? Luckily, MLflow offers a way of gathering this information. This is done through the search runs function from the MLflow module. The search run function offers programmatic access to runs data and is used to query runs and return the data to an output for further data analysis. With search runs, users can select a tool of choice for data analysis, such as the widely used Pandas library. Pandas is, in fact, the default output of the function. Before getting started using search runs, it is important to understand what data is available to query and what is returned. The following example is a Pandas output from search runs from an experiment. MLflow places each metric and parameter into a separate column, as well as other data such as run ID, status, start, and end times, and tags. Each metric column is prefixed with metrics.metric, and parameters are prefixed with params.parameter. The search run function is flexible and can take several different arguments to retrieve data to fit our needs. Some of these arguments include max results, which only returns a specified amount of runs; order by, which is used to sort columns such as metrics in ascending or descending order; filter string is likely the most powerful argument, which allows for querying runs based on a query string; experiment names is used to return data only from specified experiments. More than one experiment can be specified. The following experiment has 4 runs and contains both metrics and parameters that can be queried. Let's use the search runs function to query the runs from the default experiment so that we can get the run data into a format in which we can begin our analysis. Let's say we want to search runs from the insurance experiment and query for the F1 score metrics that are greater than 0.6. We also want to order the results by precision score in descending order. Begin by importing the MLflow module. Let's store our filter string as a variable to make it easier to pass in as an argument. Now let's call the search runs function with the filter string and order by arguments and include the experiment name, insurance experiment. Our query results return 2 runs having F1 score greater than 0.6.